Struggling to figure out the best payment platform for your small business? Venmo or PayPal? You're not alone. Many small business owners find themselves at this crossroads, weighing convenience against features and reach against cost. It's a critical decision because the right payment processor can streamline your operations, enhance customer experience, and ultimately impact your bottom line. Think about it. In today's fast-paced digital world, how your customers pay you is almost as important as what they're buying. Gone are the days when cash and checks were king. Now, customers expect seamless, instant, and secure payment options, whether they're buying a handmade craft online, getting a haircut at a local salon, or grabbing a coffee from a food truck. And with the rise of digital wallets and peer-to-peer payment apps, the landscape has become even more diverse. So, how do you navigate this often confusing world of payment processing to find the perfect fit for your small business? That's exactly what we're diving into today. We're going to break down Venmo and PayPal, two of the most popular digital payment platforms, and compare them head-to-head, specifically through the lens of a small business owner. We'll explore their features, fees, limitations, and overall suitability, helping you make an informed decision that empowers your business to thrive. Let's start by understanding the fundamental nature of each platform. Venmo, the social payment powerhouse, now for businesses. Venmo, at its core, started as a peer-to-peer, P2P, payment app, famous for its social feed and emoji-filled transactions. It quickly became a go-to for splitting dinner bills, sharing rent, or sending quick funds to friends and family. Its immense popularity, especially among younger demographics, eventually led it to introduced business profiles, a game-changer for small businesses looking to tap into Venmo's vast user base. Key features of Venmo for businesses. Ease of setup. Setting up a Venmo business profile is remarkably straightforward. If you already have a personal Venmo account, it's often as simple as toggling to the business option, providing some basic business information, and agreeing to their terms. You'll need your legal business name and a business email. It's designed to be quick, allowing you to start accepting payments rapidly. Target audience reach. This is where Venmo truly shines for certain businesses. With millions of active users, primarily in the US, Venmo offers direct access to a demographic that's comfortable and accustomed to using the app for payments. If your customer base skews younger or is heavily engaged with mobile-first payment methods, Venmo can be a powerful channel for discovery and payment. Social engagement. The social feed can actually be a subtle marketing tool. When customers pay you via Venmo, their friends might see the transaction, depending on privacy settings, potentially exposing your business to a new audience. You can also customize your business profile with a logo, description, and even a gallery, making your brand more recognizable within the app. In-app discovery. Venmo has features that allow users to discover businesses directly within the app, whether through search or by being featured in a localized feed. This provides a unique avenue for visibility that traditional payment processors don't offer. Contactless payments. QR codes. Venmo supports QR code payments, enabling quick and easy in-person transactions without the need for physical card readers. This is particularly useful for pop-up shops, market stalls, or service providers. Reconciliation and reporting. Venmo allows you to download CSV files of your transactions, which can be imported into accounting software like QuickBooks or Xero for easier reconciliation and tax compliance. It's crucial to use a separate business profile to avoid mixing personal and business transactions. Venmo fees for businesses. While opening and holding a Venmo business account is free, transaction fees apply. For payments received to your business profile, Venmo typically charges 1.9% plus 10 cents per transaction. If customers pay using Tap to Pay, contactless, the fee is 2.29% plus 9 cents. Receiving credit card payments through Venmo incurs a higher fee, typically 3.49% plus 49 cents. Standard transfers from your Venmo balance to your linked bank account are free and usually take 1 to 3 business days. Instant transfers incur a fee of 1.75%, minimum 25 cents, maximum $25. Venmo limitations for businesses. U.S. only. A significant limitation is Venmo's geographical restriction. It's only available to users in the United States, meaning if you have international customers, Venmo isn't a viable option for them. Transaction limits. While verified business profiles have higher limits than personal accounts, there are still caps. For verified business profiles, the weekly sending limit is $25,000, and the weekly bank transfer limit is $49,999.99. Instant transfers are limited to $10,000 per transaction to a debit card and $50,000 to a bank account. These limits might be a concern for businesses with high transaction volumes or high-value sales. Limited business tools. Venmo, by design, is simpler. It lacks the comprehensive suite of business tools that more established payment processors offer, such as advanced invoicing, recurring payment setup, or integration with a wide range of e-commerce platforms. While you can export data, it requires more manual work for detailed financial management. Dispute resolution. While Venmo has a dispute management process, it's generally less robust than PayPal's, which offers more comprehensive buyer and seller protection. Merchants accepting pay with Venmo will be responsible for disputes, reversals, or invalidated transactions. PayPal, the global e-commerce giant. PayPal has been a cornerstone of online payments for decades, known for its widespread acceptance and robust set of features. It's a go-to for e-commerce businesses of all sizes, offering a more comprehensive and traditional payment processing solution. Key features of PayPal for businesses. Global reach. This is perhaps PayPal's biggest advantage. Available in over 200 countries and supporting numerous currencies, PayPal is essential for businesses with an international customer base. Widespread acceptance. PayPal is a trusted and recognized payment method globally. Many customers already have PayPal accounts, making checkout seamless and familiar. Comprehensive business tools. PayPal offers a much more extensive range of features designed specifically for businesses. Multiple payment options. Accept debit cards, credit cards, bank accounts, and even Venmo through PayPal checkout. Invoicing. Create and send professional invoices directly through the platform. Recurring payments and subscriptions, ideal for subscription-based businesses or services that require regular payments. Point of sale, POS, solutions, integrate with various POS systems for in-person sales, including mobile card readers and terminals. Financial services, access to services like PayPal Business Loans and PayPal Working Capital. Fraud protection, robust fraud prevention tools and seller protection policies. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.